Hey there, traders! Is it hard to manage your own stocks while keeping up with everything going on in your own life and the market at the same time? Well, it's a good thing that our smart cat has got your back. Oops! No, not that cat. Introducing CAT, as in Coded Algorithm for Trading. It's a trading robot that will help you manage your stocks with ease. With the power of Python programming language and the Quant Connect algorithm platform, this smart virtual trader will do the job for you.
Nice.
Engineered to do the tasks, packed with the ability to dynamically adapt within the stock's volatility. And it is able to gather data to make its own trade decisions on your behalf. These are just some of the cool features this new and amazing robot is capable of. No more excessive wasting of time and watching your stocks. No more stressful trade decisions. No more terrible losses. Unleash the greater way of trading. Unleash CAT 1.0 today.